Now this figure 19-25B deals with the receptacle and the attachment cap being less in the illustration than 6 foot. Of course, this complies with 404.8A of the code. So we'll look at the length of the cord in the NEC loop, in 440.64, and the cord rating in accordance with 440.62A. But there'll be a 10-foot and 6-foot length that we'll look at, and look at that a little bit more detail in the next illustration. But basically, you can't have more than 250 volts type circuitry routed to a cord and plug connected window unit. Three phase, no, you couldn't cord and plug connect that by the code. Uh, that is a rule that's been in the code for a good while. And of course, your length is 10 feet for 120 volt, as you see in the NEC loop, and 6 foot at 240 volt. But as I just pointed out to you, we will have an illustration showing this in more detail, and I believe it's in the next illustration coming up. But this figure 19-25B just shows the disconnecting means being a cord plug connected type unit, and the height of it being less than 6 foot, but the actual maximum foot is listed in 404.8A in the NEC.